big data is something we have never experienced before. In fact, 90% of all the data we now have in this world were created in the last 2 years. We now have around 5 zettabytes of data in the world. The scary figure is that this will rise to 175 zettabytes by 2025. So we are seeing this massive explosion. We now have data on everything. Everything we do increasingly leaves this digital trace. Simply carrying a phone in our pocket leaves a trail of where we are, what we are looking at, what we are browsing for. Everything we do increasingly has this digital component to it that then generates data. We now have social media, we are uploading videos on photographs. I think last year alone we've taken over 8 trillion photographs, and every minute of every day we are uploading 300 hours of video to YouTube alone. So all of this gives us huge volumes of data, and with those huge volumes of data come huge business opportunities. What I help organizations do is understand those opportunities and create strategies that allow them to really use those new data sets to do things like make better decisions. So we understand what are the key information needs the executive team has, and then we use data to help them inform those decisions. It helps organizations to better understand their customers. So companies like Amazon know what you have bought in the past, and they can now use data to predict what you're likely to buy in the future. We can produce smarter products and smarter services where we leverage data and use data. Companies like Netflix now produce a great service that recommends films that you might like, and they use your data and other people's data to make these predictions. It also helps us to improve our operations, so we can collect data on how our machines are operating and how we optimize our processes. And we can also use data as an asset that we can sell and monetize. And I've worked with a number of organizations where we looked at all of those 5 strategic angles and then developed data strategies that really allowed them to boost business success using the big data that we now have available. For me, what is critical is that we do this strategically. So we need to approach this from your business strategy and then understand how you can use data to actually help you become more successful and drive business performance. Have a look on my website at bernardmarr.com, where you can find tons of articles describing exactly what big data is and how companies use big data in practice.